In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an image with Meta AI. By the end, you'll know how to turn a still picture into a short, looping clip with subtle motion right from your phone using the Meta AI experience that also lives inside Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. First, open the Meta AI app on your phone or open the Chat with Meta AI inside one of those Meta platforms. You'll be working in a regular chat window, which makes the process feel familiar and quick. Next, bring in the image you want to animate. If you already have a photo you love, tap the image or photo icon and select it from your gallery. If you don't have one yet, you can generate a new AI image by typing a prompt in the chat. Keep your description clear so Meta AI understands what to create. Once your still image appears in the conversation, you're ready for the fun part. Tap the Animate button beneath the image. Meta AI will automatically analyze the picture and add motion where it makes the most sense. This is designed to be simple. No timelines, no keyframes, just automatic animation. Give it a moment to process. In a few seconds, you'll see your animated result appear. Tap it to preview and look closely at the movement. These animations are intentionally short and looped, focusing on natural, subtle effects that enhance the image without turning it into a full video. If you want more control, guide the motion with a quick prompt in the chat. You can say things like make the waves move, animate the hair blowing in the wind, make the character smile and blink, or add floating sparkles. Use short, specific phrases so the animation targets exactly what you want. Happy with the result? Tap Save, Download, or Share to keep the animation or post it right away. For Facebook profile pictures, you'll also see preset animation styles such as wave, confetti, heart, party hat, and natural movement. These are great for a quick, polished look with a single tap. If you don't see the animate option, here are a few quick checks. Update your Meta AI or Facebook app to the latest version. Try generating an image first before uploading one, as some features appear after you create inside the chat. And remember, certain animation features roll out gradually by region and account, so you might get access soon if it hasn't arrived yet. That's it. Simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful. Try a few images, experiment with different prompts, and enjoy bringing your pictures to life with Meta AI.